Lalo na iyak talaga ako doon. Sabi ko, Chay! Chay! Uwi na ako ng bilas!
Mami. Guys, again, it's me, Rox, and it's our day 4 here in Hong Kong. And currently, I am at the lobby of the hotel waiting for the shuttle. So as you can see here, this is where we wait. This is where the queue for the shuttle bus. So it's 9:36. The next bus will arrive at 9:45. And as you can see, we are going to Disneyland to enjoy and to have rides. We will try to ride all of the rides in Disneyland, and hopefully si Tita hindi siya mahilo-hilo. But we'll see. See you later. So nandito na kami ngayon sa MTR station, Chewan station. Then from here, we're going to Liking, and from Liking, mag-change kami ng line going to Tung Chung, and then mag-off kami sa Sunny Bay. So, babalikan ko kayo mamaya pag natata tayo. Welcome to Disneyland! We are now walking, going to the entrance of the theme park. And the good thing is, it's not raining. I've been monitoring the weather for a few weeks now because I don't want to purchase the ticket and then suddenly it's going to rain. So good thing, oh my god, thank god, it's sunny. It's sunny today, so we can enjoy the park. That's why I'm so excited. So look at the queue going inside. I know there's a lot of people, but good thing it's not that packed. So usually, as in sobrang daming tao dito sa labas na to, no, lining up, going inside. But as you can see here, yes, there's too many people, but it's not that busy like the usual, like holidays or weekends. So hopefully we will be able to enjoy our Disneyland day today, and we will be able to ride the rides that I want and the rides that I wanted for my tita to ride on today. So we will just go inside and then I'll see you later. We are now done with security check, and now we will go to the entrance of the theme park. I'm excited! 3? Okay. Thank you so much. Welcome to Disneyland. So we are now here inside the theme park. So first we will go walk around the area. We will go to the Hollywood site or location because upon purchasing the ticket on Hong Kong Disneyland site, so we have free gift. So let's see what is the free gift that they're going to give us. Hi. For a free gift? Yes. Is it different from here to Toy Story?
Yes, different gift in different shops.
Okay.
This one's the bag.
The bag? Okay. Maybe I'll check the
Okay.
Toy Story
Okay.
first. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. First ride. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, rate mo yung grizzly bear.
Ayoko na, tama na.
Bakit?
Nakalimutan ko na kung sino ako. Ayoko na. Lalo na iyak talaga ako dun. Sabi ko, Chay! Chay! Tangin na, tama na, tama na! Uwi na ako ng bilas!
One ride down the Grizzly Mountain. So, next naman na pupuntahan natin, tingnan natin kung ano yung ride. Kasi, yung Manor is closed. Unfortunately, it's closed. So, binabaybay natin tong west side area. So, going to the Manor. And then, after this Manor, Toy Story naman siya. So, I think doon tayo makakakita ng rides na susunod nating sasakyan. Ayan no, maganda din daw to eh. Unfortunately.
Parado.
Yeah. Yeah. Second ride, it's closed. Let's go to the next.
Hi, I'm Rex. Let's play together. You can be the lead leader, and I'll be the scary predator. And ever.
Toy Story parachute is done.
Medyo na tayo.
Ano masasabi mo?
Medyo okay to. Pero etong susunod parang hindi.
Hi. For this? Yes, popcorn. Thank you so much. Hi, it's almost 1:45 and currently we are here at Storybook Theater. We were just waiting for the show to start. So, we are fortunate na naabutan namin yung 1:45 show.
我哋打開佢啦！唔好啊，麥記！如果裏面有啲好危險嘅嘢，咁點算啊？
我係小白啊，我好中意攬住人㗎。
So we are done with the storybook show or play. Now we are walking, going to the small world. So ate, anong masasabi mo sa pinanood natin kanina?
I'm so happy. I'm in tears of joy. So happy talaga. Ang ganda. Ayun, kay Elsa din yun. Grabe no, ginapos na talaga nila to, no? Oo. Ang ganda-ganda naman. Alam, meron din pala rides kay Elsa.
Kain na tayo! So we are here at ano nga to? Kalimutan ko. We are here at Forever Ever After at Elsa's Place. Diba? Ang ganda dito. Talagang mukha siyang Arendelle. Kasi may excite ka talaga. And this is their fountain. Ang ganda ng frozen ano nila, area nila. Mag-e-enjoy ka. Mukha talaga siyang Arendelle na Arendelle. Though it's my, I think, third time seeing the frozen area. Pero nagagandahan pa rin talaga ako sa kanya. So, dito tayo kakain. There. This one? Okay. And this one. So we are now here at the restaurant inside the frozen area and we're going to have lunch. So I got meal voucher at Hong Kong Disneyland site. It cost 330 HKD, which it will give you 2 meals, 1 lunch, 1 dinner, and a snack. So parang tatlo siya for a cost of 330. So now we got the salmon one and the lamb. Our receipt, it cost total of 486 total. So on our voucher, yung free lang namin is 160. So kaya may excess ako na 166. Kain muna kami dahil nagugutom na kami. So, I forgot to mention, kasama nung meal ko kanina, parang may binigay silang ito. Tingnan mo naman, parang snowflakes yung kanyang design. Diba? Ang cute ng food. Meron siyang sesame seed dito nakasama. So, kain na tayo.
Garan mo ko. Hindi mo na kumain ako sa kusap. Hindi kasi diba? Talaga bukipon. Hindi na ata sa soft drinks eh.
Lagay ko lang yun sa ano, sa
Parang mas matapang yung soft drinks sila dito mo kaysa sa atin sa Pinas.
Kasi pag ininom ko yung Sprite, parang wala na lasa, wala na yung espiritu.
Dati sa atin, no?
May hagod. Kasi di ba ganun yung pag wala ng hagod?
Ang mahagod mo sa akin. Ang ganding sa mata mo.
Princess, shall we take a stroll together? Would you like to walk with me? There we go.
Ngộ thôi. Xin được tu hành như. Nhớ chẳng kia.
Very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love. Like all husbands and
Oh, and now they're best friends.
indeed.
我睇最好嘅朋友啊！ They're warm.
Mami, sisingiling kita pag nasa Manila na tayo. Lagot ka kay Dete. Happy birthday, Dete! Na ito. Wala siguro to. And so, naglalakad kami. Babalik kami doon sa may mismong harapan kung saan yung train station. Kasi unfortunately, dito sa Fantasy area, closed yung station nila dito. So, if you want to ride daw the train, you need to go back doon sa harapan. Kaya ngayon, maglalakad kami doon sa harapan para at least ma-experience naman namin ang pagsakay ng train. Okay. Balik tayo sa center street boutique para ikling natin yung gift natin. Yes, merong gift. When you purchase a ticket dun sa Hong Kong Disneyland site nila, meron silang free gift. So, yeah, let's claim it. So, we now claimed our free gift. We have Alice here. And then we have lots, so thank you. There. That's the free gift we have from our ticket.
Ayun o. Nakaupo. Uy, ari mo na naman yan.
Mommy, mommy, mommy. So we are going to ride the Space Mountain, of course, together with my tita. Yan. Madilim sa loob, but hopefully, may makapture siya during the ride. See ya!
Ngayon na naman yung pag ganun.
Here we go! Wala ka naman makikita eh.
Ayoko na talaga. Akala ko, mamagay na ako. Sabi mo, mababa ka. Mababa ka, pero utat. Sobrang baba, ang bilis naman. Pupatayin talaga ako eh.
Ayun na yun.
Ikaw na kangiti. Tapos, patayin na talaga yan. Pag sabihin mo sasabihin mo na, hindi yan, mababa lang yan. Nahirap talaga ako. Alam mo yung kala ko malalaglag ako doon sa pinakalang kasi baka mamaya natatakot ako biglang bumukas, tapos walang hawakan. Sabi ko,
Time to play.
Hi. I'll get a gift.
We're redeeming the Disney pin.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Sumakses ang team. Dinner secure! So, pinatugo na lang namin yung dinner namin. Nakainin na lang namin siya sa hotel.